this folder is optimized for general items. Check what happens when I refresh this page. It automatically changes to music customization, which as you can see is not very useful. So in order to disable automatic folder type discovery, you would need to edit Registry Editor. So click on Start and type Registry. From the result, select Registry Editor. I suggest you to back up your Registry Editor before continuing. Select HKey _ current _ user and expand it, and then expand software, and then expand classes. Scroll down to L until you find local settings. Expand it, then expand software, expand Microsoft, and then Windows, and finally expand shell. Select bag, MRU, and then right click on it, and then click on delete, and then you need to click on yes to confirm key delete. Now right click on the bag's key and similarly select delete and click on yes to confirm. Now right click on shell, hover your cursor over new and then select key and name it exactly as bags and then enter. Now right click on bags, hover your cursor over new and select key and name it as all folders. Make sure A and F are capitals and there is no gap in between. And for the last time, right click on all folders and select key and name it as shell. Enter. As the shell key is selected, right click on an empty space, hover your cursor over new and select string value and name it folder type in exactly the same way as shown in here. Now double click on it and under the value data type not specified and then click on OK, and finally we are done with Registry Editor. And now you can close it, and to make sure that the changes would take effect, restart your computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.